Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. It's today, Sunday, and we have in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. And why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job. And this evening I will do the samurai Sudoku, and it will take me more than an hour to solve. So there's a lot of puzzles, but let me start with the first puzzle. The first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 8856. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one, 4 digits more. 4 digits more. Cannot be a 3 stars. Should be a 0, maybe a 1 star. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have here two boxes left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 2 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left 8 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers. Let me see. 1, 4, and the 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. And look. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in the column next, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 4. Then, let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 4. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6. Okay. Need a 1, need a 4, need a 9. 9, okay. How about? Need an 8 here. Yeah. Need an 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in a column next. So the last column, now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 3, 3. Then need a 3 there. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. 3, 3. Need a 9 here. Let me see. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. 7. Yeah. 3 there. How about the number? The number. 9, need a 9 there. Yeah, I'm thinking 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Okay. So I need a 5. Need a 2. 2, 2. And I need a 7 here. Okay, no. Well. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Interesting. 4, 6, 7. Well, 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 4, 7 and the 3. 1, 4, 7 and a 3. Need a 3. I need a 3 there. Yeah. I'm thinking. 3, 3. 3. Ay. 3, 7, 6 and a 4. Well. Come on, this is taking too long. 9, need a 9 here, there. Yeah, 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Now only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 4, 6. In one number should be the 7. I need a 7 here. Here or there, the 7. 1, 4, 6 and a 7. 6. I need a 1 here. 1. I need 1. I need a 1 here. I need a 2 here. 1, 2. 9, 8. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. 4. 6, 7. 6. Need a 7 here. Well, in this column, the third column, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here, give me 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. So the only place left with a 7 in this column should be there. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. 1, 3. So, 3 missing numbers now in this third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. So the 1 and the 3 are missing here. Need to wait here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there, so 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 1, 6, and 5. I need a 5 here. 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, 3. About the 5, no 5. Need a 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, okay. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4, okay. Then, need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. How about the number? No 3 here. 3 should be here. 3 should be there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 and a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 3 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Do we have all the 5s? No. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The one in the last column, the one in the column next on that column, the only place left for the one should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the ones I used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. Almost the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and 7. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? Numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. No, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column. Second column, no 6 there. 6 will be here and the 7 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 will be here, 7 goes there. 7 and the 2 here, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 2. Then 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and a 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, almost 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, almost 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be 1 star. If I'm faster than 14 or 30 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. It's not a 3 stars. Let me give it a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So we'll please read the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.